Closing market comments for Monday, July the 27th. Markets were mixed today with wheat lower, corn slightly lower, and soybeans closing slightly higher on the day. Very little fresh news in the market. Rainfall fell across most of the Midwest, especially the southern parts of the Corn Belt, putting pressure on the markets today, especially in wheat. Russia's ICAR came out and announced that they had increased the Russian wheat crop 1.5 million metric tons to 78.0 million metric tons, also adding pressure to the wheat complex. Very little fresh news, as I said. We did have a few export sales announcements this morning. Mexico bought 371 metric tons of soybeans for 2021 delivery, and China bought 132,000 metric tons of soybeans for 2021. China corn prices hit a new record high last night, and the dollar hit a new two-year low last night, trading at 93.640, down 740 points. At one point overnight, it was down to 93.42. The gold and silver were both setting new highs at the same time today. Gold was up at one point, trading at $1946.30, closing at $1940, up $37.50. Silver traded at $24.82 before closing at $24.66, up 1.805. So strong markets there. I think we're seeing a little activity where traders are reluctant to be in dollars, want to get in safer securities with gold and silver. Concerned with the government spending, talking about another $1 trillion on the coronavirus. Otherwise, exports today came out at 31.4 million on corn, down from 46.3 last week, and we need to average 39.3. Soybeans were at 17.4 million. That's up from 16.7 million last week, but we need to average 32.9 through the end of August. And wheat exports were 20.0, up from 18.8. We need to average 18.1 through the marketing year, which would end in next May 31st. The crop condition report came out this afternoon, had the corn conditions up 3% at 72%. That's 14% higher than a year ago. Soybean conditions also up 3% at 72%. That's up 18 points from a year ago. And spring wheat was up 2% at 70, and that's 3% below last year. Winter wheat harvest was at 81%, up 7% for the week, and 1% below the average. Thanks for watching.